Hi guys, so today we're gonna be witches. We're gonna be making magic potions. This one, it's a potions and there's 8 to collect. We're gonna be making our own potions that at the end we're gonna have to mix and shake. This magic potion includes a glow in the dark wand. And let's start. We're off to a good start. I'm predicting that we're gonna be making little potions that might include slime, since the cover stated that it's ooze. And ooze usually means slime, so. Okay, we're almost done. And we are done. Now we have a clear one. Crack it and make sure nothing spills like this. This is our glow-in-the-dark mixing wand. Let's put that to the side. We have two different, they aren't different, but you can see.
Видео разные снимать.
It came with 1, 2, and 3 ingredients. First we have Sweet Seashells liquid glitter, right here. We have some Seashell spell activator, and we have magic dust. We have this are the instructions. We definitely are gonna look at this. And we have multiple little tiny bags. We got 6 of them. And this will be our mixing bowl. So first we're gonna be making a unicorn one and a mermaid one. But let's start with the mermaid. So first we are going to add our liquid glitter in. We need to cut it right here, and then we need to pour it in. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like glue when you're making slime. So, yeah, let's get to it. Okay, it's almost empty. Okay, last squeeze. There you go. Okay. Now we're going to add the seashell. You can hear it wiggle. We're gonna cut it off right here. And we're gonna pour. This is way easier to pour. Okay. Now we have to. Now for the second one, we are going to now mix. It says we have to repeat. So we have to say, wait 3 to 5 minutes for the potion to shine while you repeat this magic rhyme. Wait, get an effect. I want to say this is a cool one. But let's just get to it. 3 to 5 minutes. There's no way that I'm gonna watch this. Okay, now we're done mixing. And the next step is to add some friendship glitter. Let's open the first one. And inside we have some adorable foam beads. Oh my god. Look at these adorable little foam balls. They look like cotton ones. The next bag, it really sounds like glitter, but maybe it won't be. It is little seeds? I don't know what that is, but it looks magical. And now for the last one, it is glitter. And now it says we need to stir it really, really, really nicely. Take it off the one. And now we're gonna take a beautiful container, open it from the bottom. Oops. This is a really cool slime. And now it says we need to close it up and shake it. Okay, now we have to wait. And soon it'll all go down. The foam balls will go to the sides and it will be an amazing potion which we can always open. Now it's time for the second slime recipe. The second one, now we're using our little pony. We are going to need some water. And we have some right here. The instructions say that we'll have to fill it until the line right here. You see this little clear line? It might be hard, but you need to fill it until there. I can't see it. So here we have the water, and now time to insert our sweet little pony. I am clueless. What? Oh, it's a yellow. And oh, this might be a glow in the dark or neon. Look at it go. So now we have to start mixing it as instructions say. And now let's mix. I don't know. I don't think there's any left. I just want to sprinkle leftovers. It smells like, it doesn't really smell, but it smells a bit like some sort of fruit mix in my opinion. Okay, so now we're gonna have to stir it for, let's see, 3 to 5 minutes. I'm really disappointed to say, but we've been mixing for about 5 minutes, and I'm afraid to say that this is a fail. We either added too much water or it's supposed to be, but I don't think it is from the last potion. However, if you did accomplish this recipe, then please let us know in the comments down below. And even though it was a fail, I think we might as well continue and still put it in the potion. Maybe we'll review it back if it changed for some reason. Now let's add some oh, little foam beads. Foam beads that are large are like my favorite because they don't leave the slimes. And okay, there's a few more, but I'm gonna take them out. These are what it looks like. They look like miniature pearls. So I guess that's what. Okay, so now that I added them, I think I'm gonna mix. And the slime, I don't think it becoming thicker, but it definitely looks amazing with these beads. Now let's start with another bag, and let's get to it. I'm pretty sure this is like little confetti. They're little stars. It definitely matches a unicorn vibe. Little stars, little pearls, all unicorn vibes. And then the last bag, but it was a good thing. It is little pinkish, purplish, more like a magenta color beads. These are very small, and now we might as well mix. There. Now I'm gonna add it into this bottle. So now that I'm done mixing it, I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna use the spoon to put it in the bottle. There's one thing I am guessing, since it's called mix and shake potions, maybe we have to put it in and shake it in order for it to work, but let's see. One more and done. There you go. Now I'm gonna close it. And it is done. Now it all entered in the potion and I'm gonna shake it. This time it actually shakes. Wait, I'm gonna check it. Oh, it actually became a thicker if I shaked it. I think I'm gonna shake it just a bit more. And then I'm gonna show the final results. There. Now, I'm gonna show you the final potions. This is the second recipe, and this was the first. Bye guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.